This video is all about the fact that scammers are saying Dr. Sanjay Gupta has endorsed a gelatin trick recipe for weight loss, and that is a scam. It is not true. This is the latest sort of gelatin trick thing going around right now. It's hilarious how this keeps going and going. There is no gelatin trick for weight loss. This is a tactic that scammers in Brazil came up with to sell people on a bunch of different supplements. That's all this is. You can find a gelatin trick recipe on a website here or there, but it's not going to help you lose weight. Those people are just trying to capitalize on the fact that it's going around. I, however, am trying to save you from falling for this sort of thing. So you can see here on my screen, I am on a website. I got there from an ad. It says Dr. Gupta reveals the gelatin recipe to lose 15 pounds before April ends. And we can watch that now.
Michelle, I need to stop joking for a second because this is getting serious. Over the past few weeks, the internet has exploded with this gelatin weight loss trick. People are claiming they lost 20, 40, even 80 pounds with it. And at the same time, Americans are getting ripped off left and right. And then your name started coming up. People saying you lost weight using this gelatin method, but that you also warned that most versions online are completely wrong. You even pointed people to a video by Dr. Sanjay Gupta saying that was the only explanation worth trusting.
So what's going on here is they never said these words. These are deepfake AI depictions of Jimmy Kimmel and Michelle Obama, and soon, I guess, Dr. Sanjay Gupta and other famous people who never actually talked about this ever. Someone has manipulated their lip movement. Well, I mean, why would they be talking about this on Jimmy Kimmel Live, right? That's one thing. They'd be talking about a new book or something funny or whatever. This makes no sense. But it's a deepfake AI depiction. And you might be saying, well, how come they're not suing? I don't know. The people are hiding in Brazil. It beats me. But this is something that is super scammy. There is no gelatin trick recipe, and Dr. Sanjay Gupta has nothing to do with a miracle for weight loss. And whatever pills or dropper bottle stuff or whatever gummies you see at the end of these sorts of videos, it's just another product created by people who don't want you to know who they are. Big surprise. I wonder why. And they're trying to get you to fall for a scam so that you end up wasting a ton of money.
That's why I referenced Dr. Gupta's video. He's the one who breaks down the real gelatin method, the version everyone else is twisting to make money. With his method, you only need 3 simple ingredients and it costs just 23 cents to prepare.
That explains a lot, because right now, people don't know what to trust anymore.
Exactly. And what bothered me the most is that this gelatin recipe can actually trigger serious and healthy fat loss, but only when it's prepared the right way.
And now let's take a quick look at another video that I saw that I want to show you that shows Dr. Sanjay Gupta in a setting that he recorded of him saying, I have nothing to do with these memory loss and Alzheimer's and dementia scams. The scammers have now taken that video of him to make it look like something else. They've manipulated the video, his screen and everything. Watch this.
There are doctors teaching the gelatin recipe the wrong way. Their version has 3 times more sugar than a Snickers bar.
If you've seen Dr. Oz or Dr. Jen talking about the gelatin recipe on social media, I need you to stop everything and listen carefully, because what they're teaching is wrong, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. You see, the gelatin they're telling you to use is Jell-O. That little box you find at the grocery store, and what they're not telling you is that a single serving of Jell-O has more sugar than a can of Coca-Cola. So every time you make their weight loss recipe, you're actually flooding your body with sugar, artificial dyes, and empty calories. You think you're losing weight, but you're actually making it worse.
Wait, so you're telling me that all those people doing the gelatin recipe are actually gaining weight instead of losing it?
Exactly. And that's why so many women tried the gelatin recipe and saw 0 results. It's not their fault. They were given the wrong recipe.
I tried that gelatin recipe I saw on Dr. Oz 3 times. Nothing happened. I actually gained 4 pounds. I thought my body was just broken. But then I found Dr. Gupta.
That's an AI-generated image of that same woman in the same setting. Is that the same shirt?
This version and lost 31 pounds in less.
It's the same pattern.
The real gelatin recipe doesn't use Jell-O. It uses unflavored gelatin, pure collagen protein with 0 sugar.
So the scammers previously put boxes of actual Jell-O in their videos, and now they're like, oh, that's the version that doesn't work. They're trying to like rewrite the script to keep the gelatin trick thing going. If I can keep even one person from buying into this, then they've lost hundreds of dollars.
And when you combine it the right way, with 3 other ingredients that cost less than $2, you trigger a fat burning process that melts up to 3 pounds per day.
Last week, I saw people saying I used some kind of pink salt trick. Where do people even get this stuff? Look, the only thing I use to lose weight is the real gelatin recipe.
The same scammers who are doing the gelatin trick recipe are probably the same people who did the pink salt trick last year. And before that, like the turmeric hack, which those people boast about it. And the video platform is like, that's great. Let's do a podcast together. And this is a fake image you can see here. In Brazil, by the way, is what I was talking about. This is a fake image you can see here of Adele supposedly eating gelatin made with AI.
Not the Jell-O version. The one with unflavored gelatin that Dr. Gupta showed me directly.
And the reason this works so fast is because unflavored gelatin is pure protein. It fills you up for hours, kills your cravings, and forces your body to burn stored fat for energy. While that sugary Jell-O does the exact opposite. It spikes your insulin, triggers fat storage, and makes you hungrier 30 minutes later.
I'm posting bikini pics for the first time ever. I'm looking in the mirror and loving what I see. But let me be clear. I never touched that Jell-O recipe. The real gelatin recipe is the best for losing weight without messing
AI.
with your health. You know, I love to cook and eat. That's what I've been doing on TV all these years. So dieting was never an option for me.
Now, here's what makes this even more powerful. Even though this recipe works for everyone, it works faster
AI.
for women over 35 and moms.
21 days ago, I felt bloated, tired, and stuck. I had tried everything. Ozempic made
AI.
me nauseous. Keto made me miserable. But this
AI.
gelatin recipe, I'm already down 31
Was she suddenly 13 years old? What is with her looking so young?
pounds. And I haven't changed anything else.
This exact gelatin recipe has already gone viral with over 21
I had to blur that previous woman because they showed her baby, and I don't want anyone's children to be in this.
million views. But most people are still making it wrong because of what they saw on social media. So I decided to share the real version one more time. Because when you do it right, you'll trigger a fat burn process that sheds all your unwanted body fat, all without weekly.
So they're using the Dr. Sanjay Gupta video right there of him trying to debunk the idea, to dispel the idea that he had anything to do with a memory loss recipe for reversing Alzheimer's and dementia. They're now using that video to try and promote this weight loss video. The scammers are, which says a lot about what's going on these days. And that the advertising platforms behind all this, in terms of like allowing the scammers the first step that gets this thing going, they're accepting money. They're not behind it, but they're accepting money to allow the ads. The advertising platforms are, and it's terrible and no one's ever going to do anything about it. And that's just the way Meta and TikTok are going to operate. But they'll put out these PR statements. We're serious about scams. Hit report ad, even though you're not on our payroll. And here's a PR statement. We're very serious. The numbers aren't that bad. Trust us. Anyway, Dr. Sanjay Gupta has not come up with a gelatin recipe. And you would know he did because it would be published somewhere, if not what you might call the mainstream media, independent blogs. Political blogs, left or right, somewhere, anywhere. And you're not going to find it anywhere because it's all a scam. No one famous has anything to do with this at all. And again, this will end up taking you to a product that is a scam as well. I mean, obviously, any gummies or pills or supplements or dropper bottles it takes you to is going to be a scam. So just to recap, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, Michelle Obama, Jimmy Kimmel, Jillian Michaels, in case you saw that, Serena Williams, Kelly Clarkson have never endorsed this. This is all a scam to get you to buy into something that's going to charge you a lot of money, that is going to be hard to cancel. The money back guarantee is not going to work. It could come with subscription charges of hundreds of dollars a month, and on and on. Go see a doctor, like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below, and thank you for watching.